Hello, this is just a walkthrough on a problem on HackerRank. So essentially, we are asked to implement this lonely function here. We need to go ahead and traverse the list. So given a pointer to a root of a binary tree, you need to print the level order traversal of this tree. So level order just means breadth first search. And the level is 1, 2, and then 5, and then 3 and 6 are in the same level, and then 4. So it should be 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4. 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4. Okay. And the constraints are that the nodes in the tree are from 1 to 500. And we need to print the value separated by space. So like this. Alrighty. So for this, you can just use a node pointer. We'll call it sentinel. So you go to root. Then we're going to create a queue, which is first in, first out data structure. And we're going to go ahead and, sorry, I don't know when I put that there. So we're going to just call it queue. And while that queue is not empty, we can execute the statements inside this while loop. So in order for it to not be empty, we're going to start it with root. I believe it's push. Yeah. All right. And here we can simply say we can create a temporary node. Temp is equal to just the front of the queue, which in this case will be root. So it'll be equal to the front, and then we can remove that item since temp has it. So we can say queue dot pop, and then we simply print it out. Datum. And we do need to separate it with a space. Create an if statement, and we can say if there's still something left in the tree, we're going to add it to our queue. So if sentinel left exists, if this exists, then we want to go ahead and add it to the queue. And that's basically it. So the same exact thing, but for the right side. So you can just say right, and then right again. After that, we need to update our helper sentinel. So we're just going to say sentinel is equal to queue top. Front, sorry. We can actually use sentinel here as well, but it should be fine just like that. Yeah. So it looks like we're printing in the correct order, which is by level. Try more tests. And yeah, all the tests seem to pass. Great. All right. That was it for this tutorial on just printing items in a class node structure. Thank you.